Okay, so first of all, what this is a segment of small intestines. Like right here, this would be the space inside your intestines. And you have to imagine this model was like a big tube, so it would come all the way around, but we have just a little section of it. So starting out right here, this is the tunica mucosa, the first superficial tunic of the intestines. And there's details inside of it. The next layer right here, this is the tunica submucosa. So it's just going in order, right? And then you see these two layers of pink. So all of this section, this is tunica muscularis externa. And then anything after this layer of pink, so out here, this is the tunica serosa, right? Since it's intestines, serosa, tunica muscularis, tunica submucosa, tunica mucosa. Okay. So now we'll do the details for each part.
And this is all small intestines?
This is all small intestines. All right, so on the tunica mucosa, just starting out, you see the pink cells right at the surface. These are epithelial cells. So it should say something about epithelium, right? Epithelial layer. The pink cells are epithelial cells. You see all the gray color in this area, the gray color. So this region is called lamina propria. The gray part of the tunica mucosa, lamina propria. And what else do we need?
Muscularis mucosae.
Muscularis mucosae is just this thin pink line here. It's just a very thin layer of smooth muscle in the tunica mucosa. Muscularis mucosa. Okay, anything else?
Lacteal.
The lacteal, you see this green thing sticking up here? This is part of the lymphatic system, the lacteal here in green. Okay, let's keep going.
Submucosal
A
plexus.
vessel?
It says blood vessel?
No, I mean a lymph vessel. I'm just saying it's a vessel, the lacteal.
It's a lymphatic capillary. A lymphatic capillary.
Is a capillary a vessel?
The capillaries connect to the vessels.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Submucosal
So
plexus.
next layer is submucosa. And plexus is, of course, right, a nerve, right? So all the nerves are shown in yellow. The yellow nerves in the submucosa make up the submucosal plexus. And we mentioned a huge concentration of nerves in the intestines, okay? After that,
Inner circular muscle.
okay, so now we're on to the tunica muscularis, right? It has the two layers of muscle for the intestines. The layer that's closer to the submucosa, this first layer here, this is called inner circular muscle. Inner circular muscle. The second layer is called outer longitudinal muscle.
Okay.
And now you notice more yellow nerves in the area. These nerves are now called the myenteric plexus in the muscularis externa. Myenteric plexus, yellow nerves. And then lastly, just anything after longitudinal muscle. This is all tunica serosa. So it's a section through the intestines to see the four tunics.
No, I can't miss anything again. This is dangerous. I'm staying here till